Hi, my name is Narendra and I am live recording this video for bad service of this ship rocket, and probably you can see me. Yeah. So this is the package. Probably if you see, my company name is V18 Trends. It's level 5 Kohive, Pune. Okay. Now this has been like I'll tell you where it was scheduled. I'll tell you where it was scheduled.
Hello.
Hi, yes. I'm on Ship Rocket customer care. Let me tell. Yes, this is the customer care I'm talking to. If you see, that's call in progress. That number is Ship Rocket. Yes, and somebody from Ship Rocket will call. Yes, I'm on the call. So I was talking that my pickup was scheduled on 10th of July, and right now it's 13th of July, and there has been huge delay from your side. So have you diagnosed what is the issue? Like, it's been 3 days I'm waiting for this thing to be picked up from your end.
Definitely, sir. Thank you for the hold on line, sir, first of all, and I really apologize for the delay in the pickup. I have cross-checked. Actually, what happened is due to some technical issue, the request which usually sent through API from our panel to FedEx API, that is not sent to them. That's why the pickup is not arranged yet. So I have cross-checked with the operations team, and in the morning itself, we have again sent the request to the FedEx team, and the pickup will be done today on priority basis between 2 to 7 o'clock, sir. So
no, you are telling wrong. You are giving the plain white lies. First of all,
no, sir.
Pickup. Listen me. That's what I told.
Yeah,
you need to listen. Okay. You're telling that pickup not scheduled. I am telling pickup has been scheduled. I can tell the PNQ number also. I can tell the pickup number. I can right away connect the phrases.
Sir, I'm not saying pickup is not scheduled, sir. I'm saying that whenever you schedule the pickup, our system sends the request to the FedEx system.
Okay.
FedEx team. So they receive the request for the pickup. That request is not received from FedEx end. From our end, the request through a system, when the API hit and their system, the request is not received there. That's why.
What I'm saying is, okay, I listen to you. Now listen to me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Today, just after 30 minutes before, I called customer care of FedEx that my pickup is scheduled. Okay?
Right.
They said, yes, it has been scheduled. Now today, it has been late because of multiple reasons, but today also they scheduled the pickup. Okay, and they said there's a problem with your pickup address. Why can't you listen to me? You're not giving. See, my correct address is this: level 5 Kohive Commercial Complex, opposite Vande Mantri, Karve Road, Pune. You are not giving correct address.
Sir, as you can see on the FedEx panel, they haven't even attempted the pickup. Even in case if they attempted the pickup and they issue the address, then they definitely mention that the pickup is attempted and the pickup is not done due to address issue. You can check it the FedEx panel itself, sir.
See, I can't see. I can call. यार मेरी आप बात सुनो, ठीक है ना? You listen me first. What I'm saying is,
yes,
I call the customer care of FedEx, and they said that your address is incorrect. Can I connect your call to FedEx and put it in three-way conferencing call, and then the FedEx customer care will tell you.
Sir, from our end, our operations team will directly contact FedEx team. They don't need to talk to the FedEx customer care support. We directly have a assigned particular person who is handling
something, yeah.
address issue.
So the problem is, like, if I connect your call to FedEx customer care and if they tell the address is incorrect, will you be agree then?
Sir, for that, our operations team will directly contact the account person who is handling our account in the FedEx team. We don't need to talk to the customer executive what they are saying or not.
So ask them to connect and right away. Ask them to connect, call the FedEx customer care to get the address.
Sir, that's what I'm saying. I already forwarded the request and already escalated the issue to the FedEx team, and the pickup will be done today between 2 to 7 o'clock. In case if any issue occurs, we will call you.
Okay. You are right now live on YouTube. Okay, so I'll just be polite first, and second thing is, can you right now tell me what is the pickup address you're given?
Sir, in your system you have updated your pickup address and
can you repeat again? So that I can Just repeat it again right now, because after your call cut, I will call customer care of FedEx and I will record that also, and I'll merge both videos into one and then publish on YouTube, and then I'll send it to you. Okay? So now can you right now tell what is the pickup address which you gave to FedEx guy?
So the pickup address which sent from our system to FedEx team is, you have mentioned primary address, name V18 Trends. Phone
Okay.
number is 9179098325.
Okay.
Email ID is v18.trends@gmail.com.
Okay.
Address is level 5.
Yes.
Cohive, DNYANVATSAL. I think it's Dayanvatsal Commercial Complex.
Okay.
Opposite to One Devi Mandir.
Okay.
Nagar, Karwa Road, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Pin code is 411052.
Okay, so this is the address, this is the correct address which is CCC. Right now you are telling me this is the address which I'm agree.
Yeah.
Now after that, see, you're not agree to go, you're not agree that I should call customer care of FedEx right now. So I'll cut the call, I'll call the FedEx customer care, I'm recording the video and I'll ask them also. Okay?
Yeah,
And then I'll merge the video, then I'll send you. Will that be okay?
Sure, sir. No issue with that, because this is the API system, sir. The address which you have mentioned in your panel, the same address will be sent to the courier partner also.
Okay.
Same address will be sent to the
Okay. So now I'm recording this video. I'm sending you. Okay. So I'll tell what is the problem. Okay. So now I'm just cutting the call.
And your pickup will be scheduled for today between 2 to 7 o'clock, sir.
2 to 7.
Make sure that your shipment, yes, sir. The pickup timings are 2 to 7 o'clock. So I'll make sure that the shipment will be picked up as soon as possible.
Okay.
Is there any other thing, sir, I can help you?
No. I'm calling customer care of FedEx right now.
Sure.
FedEx. Service in English. Please get the pickup.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Welcome to FedEx. How may I help you?
Yeah. So I am right now very much frustrated because of miscommunication happening between ShipRocket and FedEx service. Because can you note down my pickup code?
Yes, please. Pickup number.
You're calling from FedEx, na?
Yes.
Okay, so pickup number is PNQA.
PNQA.
Yeah, 39.
39. On which date was
On today.
It is concerned person name is not mentioned, so
It's on the name of V18 Trends. Can you confirm?
here it is mentioned in front of me, flat number 601.
No. Let me give you different things. Like, okay, PNQA 89 of 10th of July. Can you check again then? Because it was originally scheduled for 10th of July. So PNQA 89 on 10th of July, name of the V18, and it has been rescheduled to today now.
PNQA 89.
Yes, PNQA 89 on 10th of July, name is V18 Trends.
10th of July. It is by the name of Tiltex card.
Then it will be 11th of July. Then. PNQA 89, 11th of July. Yes, I remember now. It's 11th of July because it was pickup was generated on 10th and scheduled for 11th. So PNQA 89, 11th of July.
It is by the name of Trends.
Yes, V18 Trends. Yes, V18 Trends. Yes.
Yes, sir. How much is you on this?
Yes, so the problem is I'm calling to ShipRocket and they're saying they have given correct address. And when I call you as FedEx, you are saying that the pickup address is wrong and because of that pickup is not happening. So can you at least confirm will the pickup will happen today or not? Or
The
address where it is mentioned, that is level 5.
Okay.
After that, Gyansal Center.
Yeah, Dhyan Vatsal Commercial Complex.
Be online. Give me a minute's time for the same.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the pickup address and today what time it's been scheduled?
Let me check, sir. Give me a minute's time. Be online, sir, please. Person over there.
Yes, V18 train, Sonal Sisodia, level 5. And my number is 917909835.
Yeah, number is correct, sir.
So after that, what is written there? Dhyan Vatsal?
After that, nothing is mentioned there, sir.
Yes, so that is the problem, na? So have they mentioned this opposite to Vandevi Mandir?
No, sir.
Have they mentioned Karve Nagar?
No, sir.
Have they mentioned this Karve Road? No, na? So they are not giving correct address to you. So that is the reason pickup is not happening.
Okay. Can you please give me a minute's time, sir, so that I can inform to the dispatchers for the
Yeah.
complete address and the information?
No, I can give the complete address, but that's not the issue. Issue is this will repeat again and again. And this Shiprock is not acknowledging that they are not giving correct address. They are giving complete wrong address.
Right, sir. That's completely wrong, sir.
My correct address is V18 trains, level 5, Kohaib Dhyan Vatsal Commercial Complex, opposite to Vandevi Mandir, Karve Nagar, Karve Road. And can you note down what is my mobile number? It is written over there.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Can you please give me a minute's time for the same?
Yeah.
So that I have the public operations also.
Yeah. So this is the call I am doing to FedEx customer care, and right now you can see the FedEx customer giving the complete